Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and this is my Porsche 993 Turbo, and it is for sale. Remember, if you like what you see on this channel, hit that subscribe button, like and share this video so my channel can grow. I've had this 1996 Porsche 993 Turbo for about 5 years. It is, as an exterior color, is polar silver with a silver interior. It's got 79,000 miles. I wanted to buy a car that had higher mileage when I bought it 5 years ago because I just wanted to drive it. I wanted to drive it as much as possible, and I didn't want to worry about resale value. Now I have a stack of service receipts going back at least 15 years, maybe even longer than that. The car needs nothing. I've replaced the tires twice since I've owned it. New brakes, new clutch, just did an oil change and charged the air conditioning so it blows ice cold. The turbos have been rebuilt. The car sits on PSS 9 suspension, and it has 996 turbo wheels. I'm located in Bergen County, New Jersey, and if you're interested, if you're seriously interested and want to know the asking price, email me at glenscarcollection@gmail.com. I don't put the asking price in the video because it could change, depending what time of year it is and how the market goes for 993 turbos. So this video will be on the internet forever. So just email me if you're serious about the car. Now, if you know anybody who loves Porsches, I've driven them all. I've driven 997 and 996 GT3s, 991s we reviewed on this channel. I've owned a 996 C4S. Before I bought this car, I actually test drove all kinds of 993s, the C4S, the C2Ss. Those were great looking cars, but they were nothing like the turbo. Once those turbos kicked in, I knew I had to have this car. The car has 400 horsepower, and Car and Driver just did an article last week of this was one of the fastest cars they ever tested in the 90s, 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. Now, there's no traction control, no stability control. These cars only come with 6-speed manual transmissions. I've owned about 100 cars, and if this isn't my favorite, it's certainly in my top 3. And I can tell you it's just an amazing, visceral car to drive. So hopefully it goes to a good home, somebody who would take care of it and treasure it for years to come. Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video, and I'll see you next time on Glenn's Car Collection. I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so happy, I can't lie. I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so happy, I can't lie. I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so happy, I can't lie. I'm mesmerized by these lines.